In this video, I'll show you how to change primary market on Shopify store. It is a straightforward and clearly described in the video, so follow all the steps. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Okay, so I've been planning to change my primary market on my Shopify store because I believe it can be a strategic decision and I'm driven by a lot of reasons. So if you're also one of those who believe that your business has evolved and your target audience has shifted and you wanted to adjust your primary market to better align with the demographics and interests of your new customer base, this video is perfect, right? So I got you covered. So first off is you're gonna log into your account first. Okay, I'm here at shopify.com. And when you've logged into your account, all you're gonna do is hover here to your account settings, right? Okay, and in the dashboard, all you're gonna do is on the left part here, click on markets. And when you are in markets, you see right here that I'm using my I'm on my my primary market is United States. So if you want to change it, all you gotta do is click on it right here. See, you click on the edit. So it's up to you for you to choose from, right? If you wanted to shift from United States to North America, Europe, Central America, or say for example we wanted to check Canada right here. All I'm gonna do is click save, right? And you will be prompted to click on confirm, right? See right here. So that's how you change your primary market into another one, okay? But before making such a change, it's crucial to conduct thorough research and analysis to ensure that you fully understand the implications and potential impact on your business, all right? So that's it. That's how you change your primary market here in Shopify store. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see y'all in the next one.